doing very good in your home. So students, I am your English ma'am, Urdu Joshi from Arden Progressive School, Lamachor. So students, in English grammar, I have explained you the chapter sentence, the sentence and the parts of sentence, kinds of sentence I explained you in the previous videos. So today I will start a new chapter of English grammar, Keystone book, and before telling the name and the topic, I would like to tell you something. Okay, so students, in my hand there is a small dog. There is a small dog, and this is a big dog. This is a big dog, and this is a pink teddy bear. This is a pink teddy bear. This is an white aeroplane. So here I showed you some things, and these things are nouns. Like, for example, I showed you some things like dog. Dog is an animal. And things, I showed you aeroplane, teddy bear, this is a toy teddy bear. So these are nouns, names of person, place, animal or things are called nouns. And after that I told you about the nouns, like this is a big dog, this is a small dog, this is a purple teddy bear, and this is an white aeroplane. So can you tell me, what are these words? Big, small, purple and white. These are the words that are describing the nouns. These are the words that are describing the nouns and telling more about the nouns. So here in all these sentences, dog is noun, and how the dog looks like in size, it is big. It is big in size. So the word big is describing the dog. जो ये big word है, कैसा है dog? Size में बड़ा है. So big word is describing noun, that is dog. Big dog. How the dog looks like in size? It is very big. And in the next sentence, how the dog looks like? The dog is small. The dog is small. So small is describing the size of dog. Noun के size को describe कर रहा है, यानी dog को describe कर रहा है कि dog कैसा है. How? So these words are giving the answer of question how it looks like. And in the next sentence, this is a a purple teddy bear. So the purple is the color of the teddy bear and purple is describing the color of teddy bear in the sentence. And in the last sentence, white again is describing the color of an aeroplane. Aeroplane के color को describe कर रहा है that how the things and animals looks like. So these words like big, small, purple and white are describing the nouns. So today my topic is adjective. My topic is adjective. So these words are called adjective or describing words like big, small, purple and white. So these are the words that are describing the nouns. So what is the definition of adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. And you all know what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So here big word is describing an animal. Again, small word is describing an animal. Teddy bear is a thing or a toy. So purple word is describing thing and aeroplane is also a toy here. White word is describing an aeroplane. So these words are describing the nouns. So an adjective is a word. So now here definition is how you will define adjective. An adjective is a word. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So adjective is a word that describes a noun. And noun you all know, name of person, place, animal or thing. Now I have two markers. I have two markers. I have two markers. So markers is noun, name of a thing, and the word two is describing that how many markers I am having. Quantity of marker. मेरे पास कितने markers हैं? Two markers हैं. So marker is noun in the sentence and this word is describing how much or how many. So two is the quantity. Two is the quantity of marker. मेरे पास कितने marker हैं? How many markers I am having? I have two markers. So two is adjective in the sentence because it is describing the noun marker. Marker को ये describe कर रहा है कि कितने marker हैं? Two markers. So these are the words that are describing a noun. It's called an adjective. So students, adjectives can tell how the person, place, animal, thing looks, tastes, sounds, feels or smells. Okay? So adjectives can tell how the nouns looks. Is it beautiful or ugly or fat or small, or how the nouns tastes, you all know, sour, sweet, bitter, and how the nouns smells, bad smell, sweet smell, So like this, an adjective tells how the nouns looks, tastes, smells, etc. So now with the help of some examples from your book, that is exercise 7.1, I am explaining you adjectives. So first question is find out the adjectives. Now in this question you have to find out adjectives, that words that are describing the nouns, and nouns are already highlighted here. Nouns are already highlighted in the question, and you have to find out the adjectives that are describing the nouns. So first is a hungry fox requested the crow to sing a song. A hungry fox requested the crow to sing a song. So in this sentence, fox is underlined and fox is a name of an animal. Fox is a name of an animal and fox is noun in the sentence. What is fox? Fox is noun in the sentence. And which word is describing the fox in the sentence? How fox is? Hungry. So hungry word, it is describing the noun fox. Kaisa fox? Kaisi fox? Hungry fox. Okay. So hungry word is describing the noun fox. So hungry is adjective in the sentence. Hungry is adjective in the sentence. In the next sentence, the mad dog was in search of tasty food. So in this sentence, dog is an animal again and dog is noun. It is noun in the sentence, and here how the dog is? Mad. Mad word is describing the dog. Mad word is describing the dog. That how is the dog. So in this sentence, mad is adjective that is describing the word dog, and was in search of tasty food. Food is also a thing, name of a thing. Food is also noun, and how the food tastes? Tasty. So again, tasty word is describing the food. So tasty is also adjective. Tasty food. And always adjectives are used before the noun. Before the noun. Third sentence is a kind woman gave the beggar some food. So in this sentence, woman is name of a person, noun, and the word kind is describing the woman. That how is the woman? Woman कैसी है? Kind है. So kind word is describing woman. So kind is adjective in the sentence. Last is the tame animal wore a collar in its neck. So in this sentence, animal. Animal is noun and the word tame is describing animal. Okay, describing a noun. So tame is also adjective in the sentence. How is the animal? Tame animal. So these are the adjectives like hungry, mad, tasty, kind and tame. And these words are adjectives in the sentences and they are describing the nouns. Now students, second question B is underline the adjectives. Now in the given sentences, you have to underline the adjectives that are describing the words, the nouns. So first is one pencil is left to distribute. So how many pencils? One pencil. So one pencil. Pencil is noun and the word one is describing the noun pencil. So pencil को कौन सा word describe कर रहा है? One. How many pencils? One pencils. So the words that are giving the answer of how much, how many, how it looks, how it tastes, these are the adjectives. So one in the sentence is adjective because one is describing the word pencil. That how many pencils? One pencil. Now the second sentence is the children wanted to ride on the round swing. So how is the swing? Swing is round. So the word round is describing swing. That is noun. Swing is noun and the word round is telling about the swing. So you will underline round. Next is the child has a sharp memory. So you all know memory. So memory is again noun, abstract noun. So sharp. How is the memory? Memory is sharp. तेज है. So in this sentence, sharp is describing word, adjective. Fourth is this hockey stick is 3 feet long. So what is the height of the hockey stick? 3 feet long. So long, how much long the hockey is? 3 feet. So 3 feet is adjective in the sentence. Next is a big crowd went to see the village fair. A big crowd. So how is the crowd? Crowd is big in size. Okay, so the big word is describing the noun that is crowd. So big is adjective in the sentence. Describing word. Next is there are 11 players in each team. So in this sentence, players, how many players? 11 players. So this is the number of players. Okay, ये players के number है. So again, players is noun in the sentence and the word 11 is describing the number. Describing the number. So 11 is how many players? 11 players. So again 11 word is giving the answer of question how many. So you will write 11 adjective. Okay. So these all are adjectives that are describing the nouns. So I hope you all have understood that what is an adjective. So an adjective is a word that describes a noun and adjective can tell how the noun looks, smells, tastes, sounds, etc. So I hope you all have understood this topic properly. So do the questions in your book and take care till then. Bye-bye.